What's up, madlang people? After 9 years, muli nga tayo nagkasama dito para sa star-studded na Sabado. At eto na, nagdadatingan na ang mga stars para sa Kaloka-like Phase 4, The Ultimate Face-Off! Oh my God, here they come! First on the red carpet, we have Jackie, Lassie, and of course, Jordan Clarkson, ang mga semi-finalists. Oh my God, we have Tito Boy Abunda, Steve Harvey. Our favorite girls, Beanie Gwen, Beanie Joanna, Jillian Ward is also here. Boss Toyo, Lovey Po. Oh my goodness, box office queen, Catherine Bernardo, Piolo Pascual, and the unkabogable Vice Ganda. At eto na, ang pinaka-aabangan ng lahat, the arrival of our grand finalists. Eto na sila, maparating na sila. Wow! I'm sure tayo may impress dito sa ating 16 grand finalists. Starting off with our Asia's Soul Supreme, Casey Tandingan, and EHEAD's frontman, Ellie Buendia. Oh, wow! Hello, Casey. Hello, Ellie. Are you excited for this afternoon?
Yes, super excited. Ready na.
Aura! Hello, Aura! Good afternoon, Aura.
Good afternoon.
You look stunning. I love your comeback.
Yes, thank you so much.
I'm so excited to see more. Ito na po ang ating next celebrity. Oh my God! Ang idol ng masa, April Boy! Look at that! Our golden boy, Carlos Yulo! Magandang hapon sa iyo. Are you excited? Alam kong sanay ka sa Olympics to, pero this is a different kind of competition.
I'm excited na po ako and ready tayo sa competition na to.
Kapakita ka ba ng somersault mamaya?
Yes.
Ay, yun ang gusto ko makita. Maraming salamat, Carlos. Enjoy our all-time scoring leader, LeBron James. And the all-time three-point leader, Steph Curry. Okay, here we go. Our next celebrity. Whoa! Aquaman is in the house. Jason Momoa. It's good to see you again. We did an interview before during your Aquaman junket. How does it feel to be back here in Manila?
It's great to be back in Manila. I love the Philippines. I didn't have enough time to, I love you too.
The one and only Snoop Dogg. Our next celebrities, Supreme Idol Daniel Padilla and Asian Drama King Jericho Rosales. Ma'am Charo Santos Concho. And also joining Ma'am Charo is Pini Maloy. Maloy, Ma'am Charo, please join me here. Maloy, congratulations sa Grand Beaniverse. Are you excited for the Philippine Arena?
Yes, of course, I'm very much excited and I'm so happy for you.
Of course. Ma'am Charo, nakakatuwa po naman na may time kayo para dito sa Kaloka-like.
Yes naman, para sa ating kapamilya.
Who do we have? Oh my goodness! Bruno Mars! The wicked star Ariana Grande!
It's good to be back in the Philippines. What's up, mga people?
Yes! Hoy, totoo ba to? Sino to? Ay, nakakaloka. Tricycle. Ay, si Super Tekla! Nagbayad pa. Tekla, yun naman talaga ang ultimate paandar.
Yes, bongga. Na-late ako kasi kaya nag-tricycle na lang ako. Medyo traffic eh.
Maraming salamat, Super Tekla! Okay, pose for photos muna. Oh, pak. There you have it, our 16 grand finalists. And now they're on their way sa Showtime Studio para sa kanilang final paandar today. Ako po si MJ Felipe. Thank you so much for joining me sa red carpet. Abangan niyo, madlang people, Kaloka-like Phase 4, the ultimate face-off.